Hello, and welcome to another How to OU at USU. Today we will go over how to set up a right-aligned feed using the resources that are available to us from the web team and the web team's website here at Utah State University. So, this is a pretty crappy wireframe, but it's good enough to get the point across of what this feed will ultimately look like. Already logged into OU Campus. I'm going to go into this web team resources folder and create a new page. I'm going to call this page right align feed and go ahead and create that. And I'll use the green edit button. I will get rid of everything. I'll use a snippet to quickly add that first column for my header. I'll use show blocks so I can see where things are at. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to the web team's website at it.usu.edu/web. And it'll look like this. And then I already know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for column layout. So I'm going to type in column. And then I'll see the column options. And then I will go ahead and peruse until I find what I'm looking for. Our layout. Yep, this one matches our layout kind of the closest. I'll copy that. And then I will come into the source code. I'll go to the very bottom. I can kind of ignore all the scary markup up above, and I'll paste that in. According to my wireframe, I need 3 of these, right? So that was 1, 2, 3. Paste those in. Click OK, and there I have the layout. Then from there, it's just a matter of going in and actually updating the content. So, I have one too many paragraph tags, right? I'll just delete that very carefully so that way none of my other layout gets messed up, and then you can just go ahead and make the edits that you need to make to get the content to do what you need it to do. So I don't know, maybe this is someone's name, or I don't know, maybe this is a poster. Name of a poster here. Name of poster. Or yeah, say you're setting up a page for a poster or something. Here. Let's actually put the name over here, right? Name of poster. We'll call this an H1 because it should be an H1, and we'll say research posters. Department research posters. And you'll notice I kind of keep the first and last character just to kind of help me have a little bit of wiggle room so the editor doesn't get mad at me. Departmental, right? Departmental research posters. That's what I agreed on. I don't know. I could describe it here. Maybe I could have some kind of cool logo. Maybe it's some sort of posters for an event or something. I have no idea. Whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. What matters is that you know how to make the thing. And this is how. So here we'll change that to a paragraph tag. Nice. I don't know, maybe put something here. Heck, maybe add a couple of extra tags or something. Maybe Lorem Ipsum Dolor is the person who worked on this poster, so maybe I put presenter. Maybe I want that bold, so that way I know, hey, yeah, that's the presenter. So I'll just use the bold. If I push enter, I get a new line. If I push shift enter, I get a new tag. Maybe this is a description of the work, and I need that bold, and the description actually starts here with the velum ipsum. So we'll add that, and then maybe I want another tag real quick, and then I'll say view poster as PDF or something, and then I can just add a link using our insert edit link tool. Link to wherever you have your posters. I like to keep all my PDFs in a files folder. I don't have any files in that folder right now. Here I think I have a lovely placeholder that I could use for this. Where are my placeholders? They're in the folder called placeholders. Riveting. No, they're not. I don't have that folder. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. You'd have your PDF uploaded there, and then you can link to it. Here, we'll just link to this image of a pyramid. Why not? I don't know. Cool. And then I could actually put the picture of the poster, or maybe a picture from the poster that kind of gets people interested in whatever that research was about. So I'll go ahead and insert a picture right there. We'll use that same pyramid picture actually, because that's the thing. I'll add some alt text, a description of what this is, and we'll call it a glass pyramid. And then we'll save that, and then I have that extra character. I'll get rid of that, and then I'll very carefully get rid of these here at the end, and then there you go. You know, or presenter. Maybe you need presenters. Maybe you don't love the way that H2 looks. It still needs to be an H2 for, again, proper semantics with our headers. And so we can go into our source code and change that. We can find name of poster right there, right? And we can add a class equals double quote. Then we can type in the size of the header that we wish it looked like. And then if we wanted it to be bold, we could say font weight bold. And then that would work. And then it'll look a little smaller, and maybe that looks a little nicer. Maybe our description's a little too long or something. Maybe you want to add more links down here. Like maybe there's a video on YouTube or something that you've of the presentation. I don't know. Maybe it got featured in a TED Talk. I don't know. Whatever it is, you know. And then you just have to do that for every single one of the items that's going on this page. So yeah, you can do that. Yeah, hopefully that's been helpful. Again, that's how to set up a basic right-aligned feed using the resources available to us from Central IT's website. So hopefully that's helpful. Thanks. Bye.